Okay, my friends, here it is. Learn this from Nate at Garden Like a Viking, YouTube, Instagram. Check him out. JMS, JADAM Microbial Solution. This is leaf mold that I collected from forests around my area, multiple different forests, and untouched molding fungus that comes upon the leaves. It likes to eat the lignin, it likes the slow breakdown, and it's beneficial fungus. And I have tested this already. This is my second batch that I've made. And what I have there is 1 tablespoon of sea salt combined with 2 soft cooked potatoes that I mushed up with them and added it all there. The potatoes are going to act as a food source for the microbiology in here. And now we're going to hang this in here like a tea. It's going to create a breeding ground for microbes. They're going to eat the potato starch, and the salt is going to provide them, the sea salt is going to provide them all the minerals they need. And it's a feast. And I'm going to breed them, and when they get to the peak of their civilization, I'm going to take what I've taken from my leaf composter outside, and I've advanced it a bazillion years, a couple millenniums, and I'm going to take this stuff and I'm going to spread it around. And you take one of these to 20 of these. Some people will do it different ways. I learned this hanging technique is from Chris Trump, who studied Korean natural farming with Master Cho. So I made this up. I just rigged that up. And I can reuse this and reuse this. I don't believe that metal is going to have a reaction. If it does, I have this. I could put it... It's hanging a little lower than I'd like it, but that's okay. So I want to massage this. I want to really get this stuff into this solution. All the microbiology in here is waterborne. It's comes from the ocean. It comes from the sea. It comes from under the earth. It's all aquatic life. We are from aquatic life. We are, without water, we can't live. And this is just a fun fest for these guys. My hand is in there, so we're going to have some bacteria from my hands, even though my hands are pretty clean. Just keep massaging the bag and loosen it up and get it all in there till it looks like a nice chocolate mud. We're releasing all the humic acid. We're created all this humic and the other one, I forgot the other name of it, but we created humic acid, which helps glue all the soil together. Glue it. And we're putting that into the water. So I'm just going to keep doing this till it's brown, and then I'm going to let this sit in the dark for 24 to 36 hours, and I will have results. But I'm right up beside my furnace, so I'm going to get good results on this. And I'll have it fast. Those little white bubbles are just the starch you're seeing, and all the biology here and all the microbes will be breeding anaerobically, and they're going to come up and you're going to see all the bubbles on the surface. Watch my follow-up video tomorrow or the next day.